a monkey and a turtle. One day, a monkey and a turtle ran a race. The monkey said, "I am big. I can run fast. I will win." The turtle said, "I am small. I am slow, but I will do my best." The monkey ran faster than the turtle. Then the monkey's friend, the rabbit, came out. The rabbit said to the monkey, "Let's play." The monkey thought he would win anyway, so he played with the rabbit. The turtle ran slowly, but he ran and ran. Finally, the turtle won. The turtle shouted, "I won!" The monkey was still playing with the rabbit. Then the monkey found the turtle. He was very surprised, but it was too late.